and we will see which team we're gonna play. And I love my team. Thank you. We are going up.
First of all, I want to say thank you for my players. We work very hard on the court, and we play together on the court. You see the result. It is very good for defense, and we will see which standing we will finish, and we continue. We are very happy for continue, and we will see. I want to say one more time thank you for my team. Thank you.
Do you have questions?
And so you were very satisfied after the game. What do you think about the atmosphere?
I love the supporters. I love. We didn't have time for see outside and anything, but all people very try to help us very much, and this city is for basketball very well. I love the supporters. I love them. I want to say one more thank you for them. Next year, we hope we will come here again. But at the end of the group, we can go together.
Au fost comodi peste voi.
Nu pot să spun că au fost cu mult peste noi, au fost poate... Noi puteam să luptăm mai mult în apărare. Acolo s-a făcut diferența, acolo am greșit mult.
There is a difference. They made 21 offensive rebounds today on our home court. Last game in Mersin, we allowed 17 offensive rebounds for us. This is something obvious on what we have to pay attention. We have to work on this. We have to protect our basketball.